Yo, what's up good people? It's your boy Young Chidze, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Museve Borrowdale dance from Zimbabwe. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my socials to keep updated with my work. So firstly, what you're going to do is do your warm-up, and when you do your warm-up, you're just going to do heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. That's your warm-up. Okay, now going into the dance number one, this is what you're going to do. You're going to do your one. This will be your one, this will be your two. Okay, your right leg is your one, your left leg is your two. Okay, and if you're left-handed, then just switch it around. Your left leg is your one, your right leg is your two. Whatever you prefer, which leg you prefer to start with anyway, it will be your one. Okay, so now this is what you're going to do. You're gonna do one like that, and again one, and from the side, this is what it looks like. So when you do your one, your opposite leg goes on its toes, right? Okay, let's do it again like that. This leg goes on its toes. Okay, the left leg goes on its toes. So now you're going to do again one. Don't try to speed it up. Like, try to get your one first before you get your two. So one, and again one, and again one, and again one. Okay, once you get your one, you're going to focus on your other leg as well. So you're gonna do two, two, from the sides again, two, and again, two, and again, two, and again, two, until you get it. Keep repeating that beat until you get the first step correctly. So now you're going to work on switching legs, doing your ones and twos. So you're going to do one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Okay, now once you get that beat, I want you to relax your legs, and when you do your ones, and I want you to lift your opposite leg upwards. So do one like that. From the side, you're gonna do like that, and again. So basically, if you've watched the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, that step when you do going forwards, like that, that's what you're doing. Well, that's what you're doing. So again, one up, then two up, right up, two up, one up, two up, one up, two up. That's it. One up. Let's do it together. Two up, and again one up, two up. So once you get that, we're going to the actual dance. So basically, remember, this dance has no right way or wrong way of doing it properly. This is just the foundation that I'm teaching you. This dance is all about adding your personality and your own feel to the dance. Okay, so here we go again. When we're doing it a little bit faster, you're gonna one, two, one, two, one, two, slow one, two, one, two, then speed it up, one, two, one, two, one, two, speed it up, one, two, one, two, one, two. So a lot of people do it differently. Some people do it like this. Some people do it like this, which is the way that I've been doing it. Whichever you prefer doing it. So now let's all do it together again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it with a little bit of music. The dance is a little bit fast, so take it like, with your own, on your own pace. Do it on your own pace. Yeah, so remember, heel, toe, and jump into it, jump into it, jump into it, jump into it. Whew, I'm running out of breath. It's hot in here, and this is like my 6th take of trying to do a tutorial. It's not easy. Okay, so now once you've got the foundation of the dance, you can add a little stuff to the dance. So your arm movements as well. If you want to do this one, the eating one, so you do 1, 2 like that, 1, 2, and this one is people's favorite one when they do it. I've seen a lot of people just they love it. Okay, so that's those two are some of the variations. And another one people like doing is doing the dance turning around. So what I found easy when you're doing this dance is turning to your left rather than, you can turn to your right, but it flows better if you're turning to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Basically just doing the counts. If you do your counts, you get it. So remember, don't speed up the video. If you missed any point, just rewind a little bit, get that beat, and progress. Hopefully, like within a day or 2, you should be able to do this dance. And soon I'll do another tutorial on some Zimbabwean dances. So hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day.